Welcome back to Life and Mill Wife and Cooking with Kevin. So,
bacon.
This is kind of, I found a recipe for a Tuscan chicken pasta kind of thing, and I didn't have all the ingredients, so I'm substituting this, substituting that, and just kind of making my own recipe up. So, anyways, right now he is sauteing up the bacon. When that's done, he'll take that out and he'll cook up some chicken, which I've seasoned with paprika, garlic, and Italian blend seasonings. And then,
You don't need that?
no, we don't need it. I've already used it. And some of the other ingredients, we've got a little bit of chicken broth, water, some, it said penne, but I'm using whatever that curly stuff is. And it called for fresh cherry tomatoes. I didn't have any fresh, so I'm using a little bit out of a can of seasoned canned tomatoes. And we got some Parmesan cheese, and yeah, I think it's going to be a good pasta. Anyways, we will bring you back once we get the meats sauteed up. Alright, so we're just about done sauteing up the chicken. I'm going to take that out. Oh, it looks yummy, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Tasty.
Smell it.
Yummy. And the cream that I'm using, Kevin and I had cream of potato soup for lunch, and there's some left over, so that's what I'm substituting the half and half with. A little bit of leftover cream of potato soup.
Okay.
Alright, now you're going to deglaze with the chicken stock. And like I've said many times, I don't measure very much when I'm cooking.
We're just a whole bunch of guessing.
Yep.
Okay.
All
I
right.
don't know what they mean by deglaze, but...
Oh, it means taking all the crispies off the bottom.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's what deglazing means.
Well, I think that's pretty well.
Because then you get all that flavor.
Okay.
Okay, so now you're going to put all the meat back in, as well as a pound of pasta, which our boxes don't come in pounds. Yeah, so, oh, don't splash yourself. I don't know what Brody thinks is so exciting down there, but say hi, Brody.
I guess I can stop this.
Say hi, Brody. I don't know what you're trying to eat.
Okay. So
All right.
that is the...
All the meat's put back in.
Yeah.
And we need a pound of pasta.
It's about half a box.
Okay, let's see what we're using here. So this is what we're using. All right, and you need the cup of cream, which is the cream of potato soup, and the 3 cups of water, and the tomatoes. And as soon as Kevin lets me into his phone so I can look at the recipe for timing, I can let everybody know. I had the recipe on my phone, so I sent him a picture of it because I'm recording with my phone. All right, so
here it comes.
So select high pressure and 3 minutes cook time. When the cook time ends, turn off the pressure cooker using a quick release. So
what setting are we using though? On it says high pressure, but are we doing poultry? We doing brown rice, multigrain, steamed fresh, like pasta?
Do pasta. Yeah.
For how long?
3 minutes. Yep.
I don't think it does 3 minutes.
What's it do?
Well, I'm trying to adjust the time, but oh, maybe no.
Again, we're new at this, so we're just trying it out. We'll bring you back when we figure it out.
Okay.
All right, so Kevin figured it out, and now we're going to put it on for 3 minutes, and we'll check it. If it's not done, then of course we'll put it on for a little bit longer.
It takes a little while for the pressure to build up.
Yeah, so just make sure that you've got it on close, and then
yeah, it's on close.
all right.
Oh, we didn't add that.
That's you mix it in after.
Oh,
you mix the
okay.
Parmesan in after.
Okay.
All right, talk to you in a bit. All right, so you're getting the bloopers and everything here. So we are redoing this, and we're putting it on poultry since there is chicken in it, and for how long? 5 minutes high pressure.
3 minutes.
3 minutes high pressure.
Yeah.
And we'll see how that goes.
Yeah.
All right, Brody, what are you doing, dude? Here, say hi to your fans. Say hi. Oh, sitting like a good boy, huh? Yeah. You tell everybody you went out on the leash all by yourself for the first time. All right, we'll bring you back. All right, so our pasta dinner is done. Let me show you in here, and then we'll scoop some out. Look at that.
You mean scoop some out? Just taste it right out of the top.
Can you smell it? It smells good. Kevin will do his taste test.
I'll just kind of get a couple noodles.
It's a good thing it's only us eating that. You just put that back in there.
So? If you only knew what went on in restaurants.
I don't want to know. Is it good?
Yeah, it is.
All right.
I'm glad we, yeah, actually, it's funny, we got a little mistaken, I think, how much liquid is in there. I think it's on purpose for when you mix in the Parmesan cheese.
Awesome. We'll get a plate out and put some on a plate so we can
I'd
see.
rather get a bowl.
Well, get a bowl, whatever you want. We'll have a look and see the final result. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. I'm excited. I'm excited. You excited, Brody? You're sitting at my feet. Look at that. All right. So the only thing that we would do different is a little less liquid, right?
I don't think so, though.
No, you like it like that?
No, because once you add in the cheese,
it's thickened a bit.
It thickens. Yeah.
All right. There
So
we go.
I don't know if I would cut back on it. Maybe if we weren't adding in Parmesan cheese.
Okay. let me have a spoon and I'll give it a turn. Fork's fine. Let me try. That is good. All right. Well, there you have it. So we will see you next week for Cooking with Kevin.